Shaw's Instep locking system is a revolutionary tongue and groove system that locks luxury vinyl planks together without the use of adhesive. The patented edge profile is designed into all four sides, ensuring a tight fit between joints and preventing seam separation from commercial traffic. Quiet cover installs easily. Simply engage the long side by placing the tongue into the groove at a low angle, align the end joints, drop and lock. Even though Quiet Cover and other LVT products are very durable, damage may occur that cannot be fixed using filler. In that case, plank replacement is a relatively simple solution. Make sure the replacement plank is acclimated 24 to 48 hours prior to installation. Begin by placing blue painter's tape around the perimeter of the damaged plank to prevent any edge damage to adjacent planks. Use a straight edge and a utility knife to cut completely through the center of the plank from end to end. Work the knife blade through the cut and under an edge to pry up one side of the plank. As you gently lift, 3 sides should release easily. The other end joint may need a little wiggle to pull the groove from under the tongue. Make sure the opening is clean and free from any debris. To prepare the replacement plank, carefully cut the tongue off the long side and cut 1 to 2 inches of the groove from the other long side. Shaving the ridge from the end joint groove of the new plank will make it easier to insert. Apply a small bead of superglue or any ethyl cyanoacrylate adhesive to the groove side of the opening and the shaved end of the replacement piece. Engage the groove over the tongue of the existing board. Lock the joint and carefully slide the new plank into place. Remove the blue tape so you can see the joints. Use a scrap piece of flooring as a tapping device and gently tap the groove end into place with a white rubber mallet. You may need to insert the blade of a utility knife to lift and adjust the end as it is being tapped into place. Tap all 4 sides of the new plank and place a box of planks on the glued seam until the glue dries. There you have it, a very quick and easy repair. This has been another Instant Advantage brought to you by the Shaw Learning Academy.